morning. Happy Friday to all of you. And here we are. We're going to get ready for our math test. So a couple of things to keep in mind real quick. Notice on the agenda here at number 1, obviously your equations test is in Schoology today. And the materials that you should have in front of you for the test is, again, the lined paper. We've been showing work on that for weeks now. And you should definitely have that in front of you again to go through the problems and work things out, and a pencil. And then I also attach the integer rules as well, just in case you need them. But I think for the most part, a lot of you seem like you're getting the hang of it. You also just need to have one tab only, just one tab, nothing else, right? So not your practice test up next to it, nothing else. You just need your Schoology tab, and that's it. So you know that the test can only be taken one time. There's no retakes on that. We do everything else within the math curriculum, and what you do, meaning your quick checks and BuzzMath and ALEKS, all of that we do where you can get up to 100%. And so at this point with your test, there are no retakes. So I know I say that often, but I still have students that ask me. So take your time, right? Do your best on the test and make sure you're concentrating and showing your work. Number 2, after the test, please make sure the following is completed. I just have one thing listed there, all your Chapter 6 quick checks, which was just a 1-step quick check and a 2-step quick check. That's it. Make sure those are complete. Those are due today. And then number 3, the last thing, you're going to start to prepare for Chapter 7, which we're going to begin on Monday, which is March 1st. And Chapter 7 is going to start to get into a little bit of geometry with you. And one of the first things we're going to look at on Monday is classifying angles. So I have 2 things. I would like you to watch a short video. I think it's about 7 minutes on angle basics. And you'll recognize some of the terminology because honestly, it was something that you started to learn in elementary school, like 4th and 5th grade. But then it's also going to show you a few things that we're going to get into lesson 1. So it's going to give you a preview on some angles that you haven't heard of before, such as complementary and supplementary. And then once you get that done, if you still have time, then I did put BuzzMath there, identifying acute, right, and obtuse angles. And so you'll see your math teachers have assigned this to you. Okay, so here, identifying acute, right, and obtuse angles. And again, it should be familiar to you, but at the same time, it's good to have that at the front of your mind as we start to do that on Monday. So good luck to you today on your test. And I'm looking forward to seeing those awesome scores come through in Schoology. And I will see you back on Monday. Again, it's March 1st on Monday. So see you then. Have a great weekend.